Anhui Wali Environmental Protection Equipment Company Limited is an environmental protection enterprise integrating design, production and sales of recycling equipment. With 8 years of experience, we are located in Anhui Province, China. As a professional manufacturer of shredders, Wali proudly manufactures high-performance shredder machines to meet the special needs of various professional industries. Our line of size reduction products includes customized systems for high volume reduction. The specific core individual products are shredders and balers, which involve various solid waste recycling fields such as metal, plastic, cardboard, and organic waste. Meanwhile, we also have rich professional experience in the production line of complete recycling solutions. Since the establishment of Wali, it has been taking quality changes the world as purpose, and always puts quality work at the top of all work. The company's strict quality assurance system makes every set equipment have to pass a complete quality flow test, and only when it meets the standard can it leave the factory. Also, the research and development of our products for our customers is our first priority. In the process of continuous exploration and development, the company's achievements have been continuously recognized by the society and consumers. Besides constantly striving to improve our products, it is our mission to provide customers all over the world with comprehensive and efficient service. Better future, better Earth. Wali is always with you.